In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip an image in Photopea, and I'll cover both ways to do it. You can flip the entire canvas if you want to mirror everything at once, or you can flip just a single layer if you only want to change one object, photo, or piece of text. This is a really useful trick for creating mirrored designs, adjusting layouts, or quickly fixing the direction of an image without starting over. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tips and easy editing guides. Let's jump straight in. First, let's look at how to flip the entire canvas. This is the best option when you want every layer in your project to flip together. To do that, go to the top menu bar in Photopea and click Image, then hover over Transform. From there, you'll see your flip options. If you choose Flip horizontally, the whole image will mirror from left to right. That means everything on the canvas will switch sides, just like looking at it in a mirror. If you choose Flip vertically, the image will flip upside down. This can be helpful for creative effects, testing composition, or correcting the orientation of an imported image. Now, if you only want to flip one part of your project, you'll need to flip a single layer instead. This is the better choice when you have multiple elements on the canvas and only want to mirror one specific item. Start by going to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen and click the layer you want to flip. This could be a photo layer, a shape, or even a text layer. Once the correct layer is selected, open the Transform tool. On Windows, press Ctrl, Alt and T. On Mac, press CMD, Opt and T. You should now see a bounding box with square handles around the selected layer, which means the layer is ready to transform. Next, right-click anywhere inside that bounding box on the canvas. A context menu will appear with transformation options. From that menu, choose either flip horizontally or flip vertically depending on the effect you want. Flip horizontally will mirror the layer from left to right, while flip vertically will turn it upside down. After you've selected the option you want, simply press enter on your keyboard to confirm the change and lock it in. And that's really all there is to it. If you want to flip your whole design, use the Image and Transform menu. If you only want to mirror one layer, use the Transform shortcut, right-click inside the bounding box, and choose your flip option. Knowing both methods gives you a lot more control inside Photopea and makes editing much faster. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.